Okay, hey guys, this is... Oh no, William! William, come on! I'm doing part 2. This is part 2 of episode 1. Dude, how am I supposed to get back up? Help me. Use your sword. Hello! Use your sword to help me get back up.
Okay. Just inch down. No, you can't do that.
Kill, no! Okay, at least I'm out now. At least I'm out now. Let me be able to build in mine. I need to get one of these. No, I'm trying to get one of these. Come on, it won't open. Give me privileges.
I just need privileges.
Wait, I need to put some back. I actually grabbed 64. No! Yeah, I'm trying to build in mine so I can place a bunch of villages. On your goal. No, knock me back all the way over there. Knock me back all the way over there.
Okay. My mic is acting weird.
That was amazing. Now spawn one in. Spawn one of those baby villages in. Get over there!
No, I'm in the corner again. Okay.
Are you trying to angle him right? Trying to angle him right? No! No, no, no! 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 Yes!
No, that was a goal.
No, it wasn't. It wasn't unless they go down all the way.
You're lucky there's a red.
You ain't gonna get none of my gold. I'm not in the corner. I'm right here. I'm guarding my goal.
You have to get the village out of the corner.
You just go push them, and then you just push them in order for you to go in, and then you just like do that. You just push them and then go behind them and hit them. This is never gonna work. No, I killed him. No, he's not all the way back. Move! Villager, go over there. Oh no! See what? Oh no! Not again!
No!
Did one get in?
He didn't go in. No!
Ha! Your villager shall never get in here. Nerp, nerp, noop, noop. Your villagers are never gonna get.
Just walking in there.
There they are. No, you can't kill them.
Yes, I have to.
Woo! Ha! Your villagers can never get in my goal.
Go before for me.
Ah, you never get a villager in my goal. No, kill! I'm killing him. That's not fair. Let me attack players, cause you can attack me.
No.
No, it's not.
That counts as a goal.
No, you're on my side. Wait, you're on my side. I get 2 points.
No, you don't.
I get 1 point then. I get 1 point.
You don't.
Yes, because you're on my side. Remember we said not to be on each other's sides.
I was looking if it was in there.
Okay, then I want to go check if it's in there on your side.
Let me check. No. Hey,
No, that's not a wall! Spawn them in! Spawn them a bunch of boots! No! Don't block me again! No! This is not fair! Why is that allowed? No, you're killing me! This isn't fair! Okay, I'm going down. I'm going down. Just let me go down, brother. Just let me go down. There's cobwebs in my head. There's cobwebs in my head. Look, yeah, there's cobwebs all through my body. There is no goal.
There's 3 in here.
No, there isn't. There's only 2.
There's 3.
Why you just put one in there?
No, I didn't.
Okay, well I'll check.
It's gonna be real quick, I promise.
Okay.
Yeah.
No reason.
Why are you killing?
No, I didn't want to waste valuable
To
time.
give these more $5 and just to say something real quick, okay? Because I know somebody took our money.
Valuable.
Okay, well I'm gonna end the video. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. This is gonna be the mini games for today. Okay, cause I have to go do something. Okay. So yeah, guys, if you like the video, like it, of course, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe. This is Minecraft378 signing out, and say your outro too. No! 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 Okay, well, yeah, say your outro. Say your outro. Well, yeah, guys, if you like the video, like it, of course, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe. This is Minecraft378 signing out. Bye-bye!